if you don't have a VPS or you don't have a public IP address and you are going to run a server quickly, you can use ngrok or ngrok. Here I have an index.html file on TMP server directory. It contains a script and a p tag. And I run ngrok http 59800, the port number. You can use another port number if you want. And here I run Python simple HTTP server on port 59800. Notice that ngrok and simple HTTP server should have the same port number and they should be run on the same directory, as you see here. So I run both ngrok and Python. Here ngrok gives me a URL with random strings. I copy it and paste it on the browser. And this script is prompted. Finally, we can see the p tag. This is the HTTP request with 200 OK status code, and these are the likes for simple HTTP server. Please hit the like button and subscribe if the video is helpful. Thank you.